What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 38 in the 6th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question tells us that Sarah earns $400 per week and spends 15% of her earnings on transportation. And we're trying to figure out exactly how much that is. How much does Sarah spend on transportation every week? So to do a problem like this and do it really well, you need to know about percents, and the particular way that I'm going to solve this is with a number table. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and make my number table, and I'm going to make it with 2 columns. How much she spends and how much total money she has. And now to start with, I'm going to put in some of the information in the problem. My first row, I'm just going to focus on money, not on percents. So we're trying to figure out how much Sarah is spending, but we know that she makes $400 per week. No, I'll use blue for that. And I'm going to make another row where I put in my information about percents. We know that she's spending 15%, but then for our total number in this row, what number represents a total when it comes to percents? Well, that's going to be just 100%. And so now I have 3 numbers filled in. My goal at this point is to find some pattern going from right to left or going down to up where I can multiply or divide and try to figure out exactly how much money Sarah is spending on transportation. And I see that from 100 to 400, I can just multiply by 4. That's the pattern I'm going to use. So if I can multiply 100 by 4 to get 400, I should be able to multiply 15 by 4 to get how much Sarah's spending. And whether you use your calculator or do this in your head or whatever, you should get an answer of 60, which matches our answer of C. So our answer is C. Sarah's spending $60. $60 represents 15% of the $400 that she earns every week. Now, of course, there are other ways to do this. I find that this is not necessarily the easiest, but it does build on the skills that I've been covering in my other videos on these questions. If there's another way that you like to do it, go for it. You can even send me an email about it.